Have your legs been feeling weaker lately? Like they don't carry you the way they used to? Maybe you get tired more quickly when walking, or you've noticed that stairs feel steeper than they once did. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of adults over 60 face the same challenges every day. The truth is, weak legs are not only frustrating, they can also steal your independence and make simple tasks like walking to the mailbox or standing up from a chair more difficult than they should be. But here's the good news: it doesn't have to stay this way. New research has shown that certain natural teas, simple, safe, and affordable, can actually help rebuild muscle strength, improve circulation, and reduce the inflammation that causes pain and stiffness. Unlike expensive supplements or harsh medications, these teas work gently with your body, giving you more energy and confidence step by step. And the best part? They're backed by science and trusted by cultures that have used them for centuries. Take Japan, for example. A long-term study following thousands of older adults found that those who regularly drank green tea were far more likely to maintain their strength and balance as they aged. Or look at the inspiring story of Hidekichi Miyazaki, the Japanese sprinter who continued running races past the age of 100. He credited his daily habit of tea drinking as one of the secrets behind his vitality and endurance. In today's video, we're going to reveal the 3 most powerful teas for seniors over 60 who want to feel steady on their feet, build stronger muscles, and restore their energy naturally. Each tea has been carefully researched and chosen for its proven benefits, and I'll show you exactly how to prepare them at home. And if you stay with me until the very end, I'll also share one surprising tea ingredient you've probably never heard of, but it has been shown to supercharge circulation and fight fatigue in older adults. So grab your favorite mug, settle in, and let's dive into the world of healing teas that can help you walk stronger, feel younger, and reclaim the confidence you deserve. Picture this. You wake up in the morning, step out of bed, and notice that your legs feel heavy, stiff, or tired before you've even started the day. For many adults over 60, this is an everyday reality. Weakness in the legs often isn't just about muscle loss. It's also about inflammation, poor circulation, and a lack of energy that leaves you feeling drained. This is where a warm cup of ginger turmeric tea can become more than just a drink. It can be a daily ally in helping you walk stronger and feel lighter on your feet. Both ginger and turmeric are considered 2 of nature's most powerful healing roots. When combined, they create a natural synergy that works directly on the most common problems aging adults face. Ginger, for example, is rich in compounds called gingerols that improve blood circulation. Think of your legs as hardworking machines. They need a steady stream of oxygen-rich blood to stay strong, repair, and carry you through the day. When circulation slows, your muscles don't get the nutrients they need, leading to fatigue, swelling, and that heavy feeling in your legs. A daily cup of ginger tea helps keep blood moving, allowing your muscles to feel more energized and alive. Turmeric, on the other hand, contains a golden compound called curcumin. This natural anti-inflammatory works like a shield against joint stiffness and muscle breakdown. If you've ever noticed your knees popping when you stand or soreness after even a short walk, curcumin helps calm that inflammation so your muscles can actually do their job, supporting, stabilizing, and powering your every step. Scientific studies have repeatedly shown that curcumin not only reduces pain but also protects muscle fibers from long-term damage. Together, ginger and turmeric form a powerful duo. One improves circulation, the other reduces inflammation. The result is less stiffness, more strength, and an overall feeling of lightness in your legs. And unlike coffee, which can cause jitters and energy crashes, ginger gently supports your metabolism, helping your body turn food into usable energy. Instead of needing an afternoon nap, you may find yourself feeling sharper and more motivated to go for that short walk or do a few simple stretches. The best part? Ginger turmeric tea is incredibly easy to prepare at home. All you need is a few slices of fresh ginger root, a teaspoon of ground turmeric, or fresh turmeric if you can find it, and a cup of hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Add a pinch of black pepper to boost the absorption of curcumin, and sweeten with a little honey or squeeze of lemon if you prefer. That's it, you've created a simple, healing tea that supports your muscles, joints, and energy. 1 cup in the morning can set the tone for the entire day. And if you're wondering whether this is just another folk remedy, here's proof. In traditional Indian households, ginger and turmeric tea has been used for generations to keep joints flexible and reduce aches. Even modern athletes, like NBA star Stephen Curry, use turmeric as part of their recovery routine. While you don't need to train like a professional athlete, adding this tea to your daily life gives you the same kind of gentle support for your legs and energy. So if you've been looking for a safe, natural, and enjoyable way to reduce pain, improve circulation, and rebuild strength in your legs, ginger turmeric tea is one of the best and simplest places to start. Imagine this. Halfway through the day, your legs feel like they're carrying sandbags. You start strong in the morning, but by the afternoon, even simple tasks like walking around the house or climbing a few stairs leave you drained. This is one of the most common complaints I hear from adults over 60, not just weak legs, but a loss of stamina that makes every movement feel harder than it should. The good news is, nature has a powerful remedy: ginseng green tea. This tea combines two of the most researched plants in the world, green tea and ginseng. Green tea is packed with antioxidants known as catechins, which protect muscles and joints from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Over time, free radicals break down healthy cells, making your legs feel older and more fragile than they really are. By drinking green tea regularly, you help your body repair and protect those tissues, keeping muscles stronger and joints more resilient. Unlike coffee, green tea also contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which provides a calm, steady focus. This means you get energy without the jittery spikes and crashes. Now add ginseng into the mix, and you supercharge the effect. Ginseng is what scientists call an adaptogen. That means it helps your body adapt to daily stress, whether it's physical, emotional, or the natural stress of aging. One of ginseng's greatest strengths is its ability to improve how your muscles use oxygen. Think of it as teaching your body to breathe more efficiently. When your muscles get more oxygen, they perform better, resist fatigue longer, and recover more quickly after activity. Research in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine showed that older adults who took ginseng regularly experienced measurable improvements in lower body strength and endurance. In practical terms, that means fewer moments of feeling wiped out halfway through the day. But the benefits go beyond the body. When your energy feels steady and your mind sharper, you naturally want to move more. And the more you use your legs walking, stretching, or light exercise, the stronger they become. That's why ginseng green tea isn't just a physical boost, it's a mental motivator that nudges you to stay active. The preparation is simple. Start by boiling a cup of water, then let it cool slightly so it's hot but not boiling. Steep 1 green tea bag for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add a few thin slices of fresh ginseng root, or if that's not available, about a 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginseng powder. Let it steep for another 5 minutes. Add honey or lemon for taste, and you've created a revitalizing cup of tea that works in the background every day to restore your strength. Real-life examples are everywhere. Actor Jackie Chan, still active and performing stunts in his 72nd, has mentioned using ginseng tea as part of his wellness routine. If he can stay active at that level, imagine what a daily cup could do for your afternoon walks or trips up the stairs. Over time, consistency is key. A cup each day gradually builds up your stamina and confidence. So if you're tired of dragging your feet, or if fatigue keeps interrupting your day, consider making ginseng green tea part of your daily habit. It's more than just a drink, it's a steady hand helping you reclaim strength, endurance, and control over your energy. Now let's turn to a tea that doesn't just strengthen your legs, it restores balance to your whole body. Ashwagandha root tea. If you've never heard of it, ashwagandha is a traditional herb long used in Ayurvedic medicine, and modern science now confirms many of its benefits. For seniors over 60, this tea is a gentle yet powerful tool to rebuild strength, improve balance, and calm the stress that wears down muscles over time. Here's how it works. As we age, our bodies naturally face hormonal changes, higher stress, and disrupted sleep. All of these factors elevate cortisol, the stress hormone. Too much cortisol not only increases belly fat but also weakens muscles and drains your energy reserves. Ashwagandha acts as an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body manage stress more effectively. By lowering excess cortisol, it sends your body a message: you are safe, you can relax, and you can rebuild. This shift allows your muscles to recover instead of constantly breaking down under stress. But that's not all. Clinical trials have shown that older adults who took ashwagandha daily improved lower body strength, endurance, and balance in just a few weeks. In practical terms, that means getting out of a chair with less effort, climbing stairs without feeling wobbly, and walking steadier on uneven ground. It's not magic, it's simply giving your body the support it needs to do what it was designed to do. Ashwagandha also benefits the nervous system. Many seniors report feeling shaky, unsteady, or as if their legs don't always follow their command. This is often due to weak neuromuscular connections. Ashwagandha strengthens these connections, improving coordination and responsiveness. Imagine stretching in the morning and actually feeling lighter instead of stiff and heavy. That's the kind of subtle but life-changing improvement people often notice. Another key benefit is sleep. We all know that muscles repair themselves during deep rest. Without good sleep, the body struggles to rebuild strength no matter how healthy your diet is. Ashwagandha tea, especially when taken in the evening, calms the mind, reduces nighttime anxiety, and promotes deeper, more restorative rest. Better sleep means better muscle recovery and better mornings. Preparing ashwagandha tea is simple. You can buy dried roots, powder, or even tea bags. For the most natural version, simmer about 1 teaspoon of dried root in water for 10-15 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Its earthy, slightly nutty flavor pairs beautifully with cinnamon or honey. Some people prefer it in the morning for steady, all-day energy, while others drink it at night for relaxation and recovery. Either way, consistency is key. In real life, holistic doctors and wellness experts, such as celebrity nutritionist Dr. Frank Lipman, often recommend ashwagandha for clients struggling with fatigue, stress, or poor sleep. Wellness communities worldwide, including those supporting older adults, are embracing adaptogens like ashwagandha for their ability to balance body and mind. For seniors, the benefit goes beyond general wellness. Ashwagandha root tea helps you walk more steadily, feel calmer, and wake up with the confidence that your legs can carry you through the day. It's not just about muscles, it's about restoring harmony between your body, mind, and spirit. And that harmony is the foundation of lasting vitality. So there you have it, 4 simple, natural teas that can make a powerful difference in how your legs feel and how much energy you have each day. Ginger turmeric tea calms inflammation and boosts circulation. Ginseng green tea builds stamina and supports muscle strength. Ashwagandha root tea restores balance, lowers stress, and helps your body recover. What makes these teas so remarkable is not just their healing properties, but their accessibility. They're inexpensive, easy to prepare at home, and safe to enjoy daily. For seniors over 60, these aren't just beverages, they're tools to help you walk with confidence, reduce pain, and maintain your independence for years to come. But here's the key: consistency. 1 cup won't change your life, but making these teas part of your daily ritual absolutely can. Imagine starting your morning with ginger turmeric to loosen stiff joints, sipping ginseng green tea midday for energy, enjoying hibiscus in the afternoon to keep blood flowing, and winding down at night with ashwagandha for deep, restorative sleep. Small choices, repeated daily, create lasting change. I'd like to encourage you to take the first step today. Choose one of these teas and add it to your routine. Stick with it for at least 2 weeks, and notice how your legs feel lighter, your balance steadier, and your energy more reliable. Over time, you'll not only feel stronger, you'll feel younger, more vibrant, and more in control of your health. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these teas are you most excited to try? Or do you already drink one of them regularly? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one of them, and your experience could inspire someone else in our community. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps our channel grow and reach more seniors who need this information. Make sure you also subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future videos filled with simple, science-backed health tips. Remember, you truly deserve to walk strong, feel energized, and enjoy life fully at any age. Stay consistent, stay hopeful, and let these teas support you on the journey.